Do you want free gold? Who doesn't? I mean, I do. I think everybody does. Maybe you don't, but if you do, which I suspect you do, this is the video for you. This is the official free gold contest draw, okay? So if you were around for the previous video, I explained the rules and how this was going to work. So I will go through a little bit of them again here, but if you probably should go back and take a quick look at that video just to kind of see. And the official rules will be down in the description of this video, okay? So, this is the gold. It's 1/4 grain of 999 fine gold. Again, 1/4 grain. It's not very big. But hey, it's free, right? Can't go wrong with free gold. It's not going to cost you anything if you win it. I'm just going to mail it out to you, and it's yours, okay? Now, a few little tips on this is you got to subscribe to this channel, okay? And then you need to comment on this video, hashtag free gold, okay? And hashtag free gold has to be all capitals, all one word. Now you can add other stuff to the comment if you like. It's up to you. You don't have to. You can have just hashtag free gold in the comment, and that's good enough. But if you want to add something else, that's fine too, but as long as it has hashtag free gold. Just one comment, please. Want to try and make this fair. I mean, some people don't have time to make 500 comments. So if you could just stick to one comment each. All right. It's free to enter to win. Okay, it's not going to cost you anything. The contest opens as soon as this video uploads. So I'm thinking it'll be Friday. It's Friday, right? So it's Friday at some point. But it doesn't matter. It's going to run for about a week, a little more than a week, right? So you don't have to get in on Friday. You can get in Wednesday, Thursday next week, okay? As long as you have it in by March 29th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. So like 1 second before March 30th. So once March 30th hits at 12 a.m., I will be doing I'll be picking the winner. I'm not going to pick it myself. Like don't think that I know who's going to, I have no idea. I'm going to use a YouTube picker. It will have nothing to do with me. It's going to randomly pick a one, but it's going to search for only comments with hashtag free gold in it, right? The participants, you have to have a Gmail account to comment on the video. I think we know that. I think for YouTube, I think you have to have one if you're commenting, I believe. So if you're able to comment on this video, you most likely have a Gmail account. As well, so if you do win this, I'm going to be doing a video while the picker is picking the winner. And I'll make another video on that, right? It won't be the next video. There's going to be some videos this week coming up that are not going to be the winning video. But when it comes up, it'll be in the title, in the thumbnail, giveaway winner, right? Now, you might know beforehand that you're the winner before that video comes out, because as soon as the winner is declared, I am going to comment on the winning comment, right? I'm going to comment with my email address and for you to get a hold of me. And when you do email me, you'll have 2 weeks to get back to me. And when you do, you can, I'm going to give you a code, right? It's going to be one word. And you're going to enter that into your comment. You're going to edit your comment on this video, right? The one you win on. That comment, you're going to edit it right at the very end of it. You're not going to erase anything. Right at the very end of your comment, you're going to just put the word I tell you, right? And this will mean that only you will be able to do that. If 10 people email me saying that they're the winner, I'm going to give them all the same code, right? But only the one who can edit that comment will be able to put that code in. Because if you're not a holder of that account, you can't change their comment, right? So I'm hoping only one person contacts me. So I'm just hoping there's not a lot of scammers out there trying to steal your, like, I hope not. I mean, it's only a couple dollars worth of gold. You're not getting rich here, okay? It's just a really cool little piece, and I thought maybe somebody would like it. And it's free for you. Doesn't cost you anything, right? Here. I don't know if you can get a good look at it. I'll put pictures up. Better picture, because there's a lot of glare on this right now. Okay. I'll put a picture up in the video. Close up of it, okay? So, again. And then after you put the code in, I'll know you're the one who's supposed to get the prize, and I'll ship it out to you. Okay, you're gonna. All right, a little bit more business here. The winner must contact us to claim the prize. I will put the email in the winning comment. I will validate you are the winner. You're the account holder with a keyword that must be edited into the winning comment. If the winner does not respond within 2 weeks, they will be disqualified and a new winner will be chosen. Okay, so on March 30th or March 31st or April 1st or April 2nd, don't wait for the other video to come out, the winning video. You can just go ahead and check this video out and go down to the comments. I'm going to pin the winning comment right at the top. Okay, so if your comment's pinned at the top and it says congratulations, you're the winner, and my email address after it to get in touch with me, you're the winner. You can go ahead and contact me. You don't have to wait for the winning video to come out, or the video. I mean, it'll come out quick. Like, it'll probably be out the next day, but you know what I mean? Just get in touch with me. So, and the new winner will be chosen if you don't get in touch with me in 2 weeks, okay? Any information collected, so in this meaning, your address, right? When you win and you confirm you're the winner with the code and the message, I'm going to need your address to ship you this, right? Well, any information collected, this is the only thing I'm going to collect, okay, will be used for the sole purpose of delivering the prize to the winner. So it's only used for delivering this to you. I'm not sharing this with anybody else. I'm not giving it to anyone. They're not going to, nobody's ever going to see this, except for me. And when I'm done with it, it'll be gone. I don't need it, right? Okay? So, I'll probably send this out tracked. Okay? Like, registered or something, so that I know that you get it. Right? That's probably what I'll send it as a registered or a tracked, okay? One of those. So yeah, there will be no information collected after that, and I'm telling you now, there's no other reason for me to use it for anything else but to email you this, okay? Or mail you this. Okay, now I have to, some other business that has to be done. This contest is not sponsored by YouTube. We are solely responsible for the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So YouTube has nothing to do with this. YouTube is not responsible for anything here. Okay? This is 100% my responsibility. So, that's it. So you know what to do. This video here, in the comments, hashtag free gold, all in capital letters, all one word. All right? Clear? And just, you need to be subscribed. So if you comment that and you're not subscribed, I will have to give it to another person, right? The next guy down. Okay? I'll rerun it again until I get someone else. So there's only two things. Subscribe, hashtag free gold in the comments. All right? Right. So, good luck to everyone out there. And I hope someone wish you all the best, okay? All right. See you on the next one. Gold Hunter out.